Okay, so hello students, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will discuss about CSIR NET December 2024 exam schedule by CSIR NTA. These are the important dates regarding the exam. So online application forms will be from 9th December to 30th December 2024. Last date of online fee payment will be up to 31st December, means इसके एक दिन बाद. Correction window for the form will be from 1st Jan to 2nd Jan, just after the completion or the closing of the fee payment portal. And the date of exam will be from 16th Feb to 28th Feb, means ये एक time window है exam की in all discipline. So regarding the particular exam, schedule will be announced later कि किस तारीख को कौन सा exam होगा, किस subject का होगा, that will be announced later. Okay, mode of the exam will be computer based test again, so that will be the CBT mode. Here is the official public notice of CSIR NTA regarding the important dates and type of the exam, pattern of the exam, and medium of the paper. Okay, so again there will be the three categories of qualification: category 1, 2 and 3. So in category 1 you see for applicable for JRF, assistant professor, as well as for the PhD admission. तो जो कैंडिडेट कैटेगरी 1 में क्वालिफाई करेंगे दे आर एलिजिबल फॉर ऑल थ्री. जो कैटेगरी 2 में करेंगे दैट इज फॉर असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एंड एडमिशन टू PhD. सो असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एंड एडमिशन टू PhD is yes, and no JRF will be eligible. Similarly, in the category 3, which is for the admission to PhD only, no JRF, no assistant professor, and only PhD admission will be there on the basis of category 3 qualification. Okay, so more details about the eligibility criteria, age relaxation in the certain categories, about the fellowship amount, validity of the exam in all three categories, category 1, category 2, category 3, are given in the information bulletin shared by the CSIR NET, CSIR NTA on their website. So you can download that, or also you can find the complete PDF of that in our WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. Okay, so thanks.